Welcome back to my C++ tutorial. In the first tutorial, we used a function. Now we want to declare a class and use a class. And for this class, we are going to do something very basic. We're going to define the class as such. And let's put a comment here, why not? NPC means non-player character. Okay, define the class as class and a name, bracket. You want to make it public for now. Later we'll talk about protected and private, but for now we'll use that. We're going to use a new keyword, enum, which means to enumerate these states, which are identified as an integer. Idle, as in not doing anything. Walk, run, jump. You have them enclosed in brackets with the semicolon. Okay. Inside this class, we have an integer called inHealth, and it's an integer for the player's health. A location, which is defined as double dx, dy, dz, or xyz, double floating point precision within the game world. And the current state. Okay. This function right here is a little bit different. It's called a constructor. Alright? What that means is it's setting up what this class will do every time it's called, or this object is called. The current state will be set to default idle. The health will be set to 100. You can make this anything you want. You can make this anything you want. Same as the location. But that's our default. Okay, within this class, you have a function that is a member function of this class. It's called move. And we're going to allow someone to move the character or this location of this particular class within the space according to these variables, as seen right here. And this is the end of our class, denoted as the end of the bracket and the semicolon. So you start here, and within there you have one function, two functions. You could have multiple functions, but at this point we only have two. Okay. Within our main, and this is a console application again, so there's no windows, no graphics. We're going to put our main up, use the namespace again because we want to be able to see our output, and this number corresponds with the function. We don't care about that. What we do want to see is our class being used. Okay, right here we're going to use NPC to declare this particular object called Bugbear. You could call it whatever you want, and then you're going to move it in the game space or virtual space, whatever you want to call it, by these double floating point X, Y, and Z. And then you're going to show the different points, return true, and end the program. And we're going to build it. Takes a second. The longer our programs are, the more it's going to take to compile. That's fine. We're going to now run it. Our answer 4 plus 5 still equals 9. But now it's showing 3 numbers, and that's basically the implementation of the class. that we now have something at this location, even though it means nothing right now, but at least you can see basically setting up a class and then the implementation of the class. And if you have any questions, you can let me know.